Hi there, I'm Drew Badger, the world's #1 English fluency guide, and in this pronunciation bootcamp, we're going to cover a whole bunch of great words, sounds, and phrases and help you become a much more confident speaker. The most important thing you need to do to improve your pronunciation is to focus on individual sounds, mastering these by listening to how they sound and then thinking of them phonetically. The word phonetic just means the sound of something, but it's spelled with a PH. Phonetic. Now, it might have a certain spelling, just like any other word, but you can write it in a phonetic way, as opposed to using characters like the International Phonetic Alphabet. I recently asked fans of the EnglishAnyone.com Facebook page what problems they were having with their pronunciation, and we received a lot of great feedback and questions from learners, so I'll be covering those in this series of videos. But for this video, we're going to cover what Koimix and Andres asked, and this is how to pronounce things like flour and floor and the pronunciation of the TH sound. But looking at words like flour or the other flour, so I've got the flour for baking, or I've got the flour that's growing out of the ground, or a floor, we can look at the different words and see if there are any pieces of these words and begin building up the pronunciation from there. So the first word, floor, we've got the blend of FL, full, and just try to pronounce each of these together. A blend just has the two sounds of F and L. Full, full. But then we have the OOR. Now, if you've seen the word door, you probably know that word as well, but it's got the same OOR. We've got floor, floor, floor. So the or sound, when we have a vowel and then we have the R with it also, then we have something like or our, depending on the word. Now looking at the word flour, it's the same thing. We've got FLOUR. This is the flour that you bake with, and this has flour, 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 flour. And this is the same pronunciation as the actual flour that grows out of the ground. Flour, flour. Finally, we'll look at the TH sound. This can be quite tricky for many people because if you don't have that sound in your language, well, it's just a little bit odd to make. But really, it's a quite easy thing to see someone make, and then if you try to overpronounce it, it becomes easier to say. All you have to do is stick out your tongue and then bite your tongue. And then just pass air. Again, whether to use something like thin or something like that, this is one of those things that just takes time. But you can practice all of these sounds so that when you learn which you should be using, you can use it accurately. Thin, thin, I am very thin. Or this is a ball, this is a ball, this is a ball. So either you're exhaling just to make more of a soft sound like th, or you're vibrating a little bit like that sound, but with it's the same sound. So just try to vibrate in general. You can feel your neck like you're humming a sound, but instead of just humming, you're it's the exact same sound. So practice doing that, and as you listen for more words, you can try these different pronunciations, and you'll develop that sense for which to use over time. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, do click that like button and look forward to the next video coming up in this series of 5 videos. And finally, if you'd like to improve your pronunciation, click on the link in this video or on the link in the description below this video to take our free English fluency quiz. This free quiz will tell you exactly what you need to focus on to become a more confident, fluent English speaker. I look forward to seeing you at EnglishAnyone.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.